Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I will be creating Hyvinkää bus line 8, which runs between Hyvinkää railway station and the industrial area in Sahanmäki. There is also a deviation from this line, as customary to the Hyvinkää lines, but today I will create the basic line. And let's start by creating the line, which is of course named Hyv8, and the standard ticket prices with local traffic in this game save will apply. And we'll start from Hyvinkää, then we'll stop at Valtion virastotalo, but then the following stop will be called NIMBY. And the NIMBY stop is located, now let me see, it's located over here. And we'll use the city road, of course, as this is the city road. And NIMBY it is. So there we go. Next, we will connect with the existing roads, which also requires a bridge or an underpass. I don't know which one is in question, so I will just create a bridge above the railway. Oops. And there we go. There is the bridge. And then we're back to ground level. Okay, I'm clicking above. Come on. I mean, sometimes when the memory is when the computer is a bit short of memory, the keyboard and mouse start acting up a bit. It's very common for this game. I think that's a fix which should be applied. Of course, I'm using an old computer, but still, that's sometimes, and not just sometimes, that's quite irritating, but that's just perhaps a feature of the game. So we've stopped there at NIMBY. The following stop will be at Kerkkolankatu 18E, which will be right here. There we go. After Kerkkolankatu 19E, we will stop at Onnela, which is fairly far away here in the industrial area. Let's see if that road even exists. So we'll be moving on to here. Very close to the border of Hyvinkää and Riihimäki. And Onnela is located in here, so there is a major logistics center in here, and this line serves as its personal traffic. Let's also add a loop in here, because we will need a loop. There we go. Let's also add some signals, just for the fun of it. And then let's go back to creating this road and trying to find a way to connect it with a road already created. This was an... shall we go on straight? I think we... Wait a second, where the hell does this line run from? I think the real route would be a... Oops, not through there, like I said. Sometimes the... Yeah, it is through here. Sometimes the keyboard and mouse sort of get stuck when the save is too big. that has been going on for quite a long time because, frankly, this save is too big for my current computer. Let's add an underpass in here for a change. I mean, I really don't remember where a bridge and where an underpass are in this area of the city. I am rather unfamiliar with it. I'm just going with the maps. But there we go. We've reached the Kerkkolankatu stop in here. Whoops. That signal is on the wrong track. That one's also. Oops. And then let's see where we'll head to next, because the following stop, come on, don't do that. The following stop is then called Kaupungin varikko. Is it over here? Wait a second, what the fuck? So that's Unnela. Oh yeah. Kaupungin varikko is located in here. And then let's once again connect with the previous line. And as the bridge goes over this road on the highway over there, I shall use a tunnel even in here. It's probably an underpass. There we go. But then when I create bus lines on the highway, which probably will be forthcoming, I will need to use a bridge over there. So the balance still exists. And then I will create a connection that way, and I will also create a connection the other way, because oh no, stop it, completely stop it, because I don't know which way the connection really goes. So 1 second, I've just received a message from somewhere. Okay, that was nothing important. This is getting a bit out of hand, you know. Oops. So the keyboard commands come with a huge delay at the moment. For a reason or another. So there we are at Kaupungin Varikko. After Kaupungin Varikko, we will stop at Tinakatu 10, which is located in here. Oops. And there we go. After Tinakatu 10, we will stop at Tinakatu 5. There we go. After Tinakatu 5, we will stop at Pivatik. Strange to name a bus stop after a company, but there we go. It's Pivatik. Sorry about that. The following stop is at Tibnor, which is located by this crossing. It's again named after company. There we go. And after Tibnor, we will stop at Sahanmäki Frisbee Golf, which is a one-way stop in here. they're really innovative in naming these stops. I mean, there will always be a frisbee golf track over there, right? Then I'll just create a double track back to the previous stop. I hope I'm on the right track. I was. And then let's see. Okay, let's connect with the existing or the previously. Oops, no, I don't want that. I want that. Then I want that. That's it. So, oops, not there. There. And there. I will create this line this far, and then I will see how on earth I will get back home. So we stopped at Valtion virastotalo, and after that we're on our own. Really? Well, the line does not respond to a... Oh, yeah, this is the issue. We'll stop at Onnela, and then we'll go to Kaupunginvarikko, then there, and there, and there, and there, and there. Now, that was the one way, and then let's see what the other way says. Yeah, well, if not counting for a couple of one-way stops which I haven't created, the line basically functions the same way back. So let's go over there, and then let's go over here and wonder why it cannot find. I've actually started this from the... Oh shit, well, yeah, this is the issue. I once again started from the railway tracks, which I shouldn't have done. So after Kirkkolankatu, it's Impilinna, and Valtion virastotalo, and the railway station. Now, this line's timetable says... Let me just have a look. "30 minutes during rush hour. One bus should be enough." Oops. And if one bus is not enough... Wait a second, where was I? Yes, that's it. If one bus is not enough during rush hour, then it will be okay when we move on to the special little deviation of this line. Well, 42 minutes is enough for now. So roads have been built, a line has been created, the bus has been bought, and everything is up and running. There'll be a new video tomorrow. So until then, bye.